In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make narrow columns in Notion. This is a great way to save space and fit more information into your database, especially when you're building dashboards or task trackers. Let's get started. Open the Notion page where your database is located, or create a new database by typing database and selecting your preferred database view. If you want the narrowest possible column, add a checkbox property. Click the plus button at the end of your columns, choose checkbox and give it a name such as done, status or complete. Once the column is created, move your cursor to the right edge of the column header until the resize handle appears. Click and drag the edge to the left to reduce the column width. Checkbox columns can be made much narrower than text or number columns, making them perfect for compact layouts. You can also resize other property types such as status, select or multi-select, but they usually require more space than checkboxes. Arrange your narrow columns wherever they work best in your database to create a cleaner and more organized workspace. That's how to make narrow columns in Notion. Thanks for watching.